The governance of the global Church of the Nazarene is divided up into world regions and districts. And all districts have, or at least are supposed to have, annual missions conventions, youth conventions, and district assemblies. These are times when churches get together and plan to do the next big thing, to talk business and to ordain the next wave of ministers. Pastors and church leaders from all over the district usually meet in the biggest church at a central location to have these conventions. There's a plenary session attended by all, followed by workshops or breakout sessions. There's usually so many good workshops, it's hard to decide which one to attend. In the end, people go home, missing more than half of the other great content. That's where we come in. Discipleship Video Online offers a place for people to record and share workshop sessions for anyone around the world. With the technology we have in our pockets, we can share the awesome experience of the classes we are in with the world. Or you can watch the classes others have attended, either live or to watch later on your phone or computer. It's a simple concept, but one that no one else is doing right now. Record your video live on Facebook and tag us in your post at Discipleship Video Online. We'll post it on our wall, then like our page. To upload a video you didn't record live, go to our website at discipleshipvideo.online and upload your video there. Well, there's a bit more to it than that, but now you get the gist of what we do. DVO, you got this. We can help.